Okay, so I swatched them all on my hand here to get started to kind of think out my look. We have, for the matte shades, Confection, Sugar Plum, Light and Airy, and Carnival. And then for the shimmers, we have Twirl, Swirl, Sugar, and Fluff there. So these two are kind of more like toppers. They're very, very reflective. This one's pretty much a shimmer, and this one is a mix of the two. I'm gonna start with Confection in my crease. Wow. Okay, that's a lot of punch for such a pastel color. And that was only one dip in. I'm gonna go in one more time. Same thing to the other eye. It's a really nice color. I would do a wash of color all over the eyes with this, but I want to keep playing. So I am going to go into Sugar Plum. Ooh, look at that pigment. Okay. That is so pretty. And I wasn't planning on doing a hairline, but my hand just started doing it, so I think I'm gonna start building it up here too. Based on all the videos I had posted, you would think that I only wear purple eyeshadow, but it's like the least purple and pink I don't wear at all. Like overall, but I guess lately. I'm gonna go into that Sugar Plum shade again, the second color we use. Color Light and Airy. Okay, and for the middle of my eye, I'm going to take the color Swirl. See, it's got that like iridescent purple shift to it. This one does have a little bit of fallout, maybe because I'm using my finger, but I'm going to use my little Wet n Wild brush. Okay, and then I'm going to take this little BH Cosmetics brush again, and I'm actually going to take the Sugar Plum, the Almost Periwinkle color, and go right here again and blend what I can of the edges. I'm going to put another shimmer over it that will make it look more cohesive, and I don't want to have to blend after that because I want it to stay as intense as possible, or as bright as possible. So you can see it's just a little more smooth and blended in than this side. I'm going to take this little fat pencil brush into that color again, and I'm gonna I'm sorry if you can hear my cat. He thinks it's time for lunch. He thinks it's always time for lunch. I'm actually going to take that purple Maybelline Tattoo Studio liner. I'm going to take this little flat concealer brush. There's nothing on it, it's just old concealer. And I'm going to take that shimmery pink color that I put on the top of my lid, swirl. Then I'm going to take that BH Cosmetics brush into the lightest purple shade we use, called Confection. Then I'm going to take the color Sugar, which is this color right here. It's kind of a grayer color, but it doesn't have that much pigment. It's more of like a topper shade. Yay! That's cute. Nice little galactic look. Okay, so the last clip was completely unusable because my cat was meowing so loudly. Well, oh, there it is. I'm gonna take this flat brush again, the concealer brush, and do the same thing that I did with the pink, but with this shimmer to bring this full circle. And as you can see, I did my inner corner on this side. And I used the color Twirl here. I think that's the look. I'm gonna go do my hair, put on lashes, well, mascara. I don't know about falsies. I don't know. And I'll be right back. And this is the completed look. I really like these shadows. They blend really well. They keep their pigment really well. I would say that this is the only one of the shimmery shades that has like pigment behind it, whereas these three are more toppers. So I do think that, I mean, I like toppers and I used one of them today, but I would get more use out of various shades of the shimmer. So I feel like they should have at least put like one pink shimmer, one pink topper, one purple shimmer, one purple topper, or actually probably 3 shimmers and 1 topper. But I do like the variety of mattes in here. Let's see. Again, we've got these. I think they're really pretty, vibrant colors that I don't have in my collection. But like I said, I would have benefited more from some more shimmer shades that had more pigment to them rather than having all of these toppers. Especially for $18. I have used BH Cosmetics palettes in the past and they have really good shimmer formula, so I was hoping that these were shimmers. I didn't realize from even the swatches online that they were more kind of see-through, glittery topper shades. Let's see. And I have old swatches on my hand where it's stained the pink here. But as you can see, that pink one, Swirl, is the only one with like pigment to it. But otherwise, I really enjoyed this palette. I like the look that I came up with. I can see, you know, 4 or 5 more looks out of this, so I do think that there's a variety and you're not just getting stuck with one look. In short, I would say if it's in your budget and it's a color story that you really enjoy and would add to your collection, you will not be disappointed by the quality. They're very nice, very pigmented, and blended very well. They were a joy to work with, and I am excited to make some more looks with this palette. And that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!